Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Ryanair flights online. Whether your travel plans have changed or you simply need to adjust your booking, understanding how to navigate Ryanair's cancellation process will save you time and help you understand what refunds you might be eligible for. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to www.ryanair.com. This is Ryanair's official website where you'll manage all aspects of your booking. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the booking you want to cancel. After entering your details, sign in to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom left of the page. Here you'll find a section labeled Useful Links. This area contains various support and service options that Ryanair offers. Among these options, locate and click on Help Center. This is where you'll find all the tools and information related to managing your bookings, including cancellations. Once you're in the Help Center, look toward the center of the page. You should see an option called Booking Changes. Click on this option to proceed. This section is specifically designed to help you modify or cancel existing bookings, so it's exactly where you need to be. After clicking, you'll be taken to a new page where you can review your booking details. Take a moment to carefully go over the information displayed below to ensure you're canceling the correct flight. Before finalizing anything, it's important to understand Ryanair's cancellation policy. Generally, Ryanair does not offer full refunds for cancellations unless you're within the 24-hour booking window or in specific circumstances where only taxes and fees are refundable. This means you may not get back the full fare you paid, so review the fees and refund rules carefully during this process. Knowing what to expect will help you avoid surprises and make an informed decision about whether to proceed with the cancellation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Ryanair's website to initiate a flight cancellation and understand the refund policies that apply. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.